Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to view someone WhatsApp status without them knowing or finding out about it. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. First, you have to go over to your WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, and what you have to do next for you to go over to the settings are the down side by my right. And what you have to do, you have to look for privacy, and I'm going to click the privacy here, and this and what you have to look for next for you to go over to read receipt. And you can see my read receipt is on. What you have to do is for you to turn it off, for you to able to view other people's status. And what you have to know about this is that when you post on your status, and you're not going to know who view your status, or else you on the read receipt. And also, if the read receipt is off and you view someone's status, you are not allowed to on it after 24 hours after the status has gone, because if you on it, the person is going to know that you view his or her status. So you have to leave it for 24 hours, and when you are posting, you have to on it for you to post, for you to know who view your status. So guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Love you.